Why did Pikachu call me here? Wasn't he supposed to be with Mario? Oh, this better be quick. Hope somebody else are waiting for me. Hey, King Meowth! Jesus Christ, it's been a long time since with their shorts. What do you want, Pikachu? I got somebody for you to see. Okay, and who is that? Oh, he's here. What are you No. He's not here. He's not here. No. Come here, Tyson Meowth. Yes, it is I, Tyson Meowth. Even though I don't have my clothes, but whatever. Hello. Why the hell do you look like my other clone, Meowth? Even though we haven't seen it in a long time. I don't know. But I'm finally here so I can deal with you. Yep. Merry early Christmas, King Meowth. Suck it, noob. I cannot believe it. And now it's time for us to have a lot of fun. No! Pikachu! Help! Someone help!